To get the most out of your Question Pro survey, you'll want to understand the wide variety of question types available to you in the Question Creation Wizard. The most commonly used category of questions is the multiple choice. Multiple choice questions can present the respondent with either a dichotomous question, where the respondent's answer is one of two clearly defined options like yes or no, or a question with several options from which to choose. By clicking from the Setup drop-down from a multiple choice question, you can tell Question Pro whether the user will be able to choose just one answer or more than one answer in their response. The drop-down option limits the respondent to just one of the multiple options you present. Question Pro takes into consideration the most commonly asked questions and gives you a handy set of prescribed options in the Scale library of the Multiple Choice Question Setup Wizard. Choose any of these options, and with minimal editing, your question will be created. In addition, Question Pro's Scale library has a helpful memory that recalls your previously used answer sets. The open-ended question seeks to explore the qualitative, getting to in-depth aspects of particular topics that may require more specific answers than the multiple choice question could provide. In the category of open-ended questions, your options include the standard comment box and the single row text box, both of which can be sized to your liking, a text box for numerical input, and a text box for email addresses. Matrix table questions are used when you want your respondent to rate a list of dimensions against a list of attributes. Our example asks the respondents of a Bob and Terry survey how they'd rate certain aspects of the Sgt. Peppermint flavor. A matrix table question could be asked through this multi-point scale setup, the checkbox or multi-select setup, or in a spreadsheet format. The presentation and heading options are particularly useful for longer or multi-part surveys. By choosing the presentation text option, you can break up a series of questions to insert a page of text that you could use to explain something or preface what's to come in the survey. Section headers and subheadings can categorize your question to give your survey added form and create a better user experience for your respondent. Rank order sets a number of options for the respondent to numerically rank based on their liking, where Question Pro's validation system will limit the respondent's choices to the numerical range. With the constant sum question type, respondents are asked to allocate 100 percentage points among a list of answers in order to demonstrate their level of interest. The date and time question type will limit the respondent to month, date, and year, as well as time. This can be helpful for asking for birthdays or dates of purchase, for example. For more information about the standard question types discussed here, search the Question Pro knowledge base.